Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. And what do you think this is? It's a capsule, like in color, has an oh, earthy acetic acid, vinegary kind of smell to it, and it's something you probably have in your spice rack. It's Fenugreek spice capsules, and this is one of the most healing things around. It's used in Mediterranean cooking and East Indian and Middle East and Asian food, and it's used in all kinds of things like curries and vegetable dishes and potatoes and carrots and lentils, pasta and salads. So it's really great as far as cooking goes. But it's also great for lowering blood sugar. It contains isoleucine, which is an amino acid which the helps the pancreas to produce more insulin, and it helps to reduce insulin resistance. And it has a lot of fiber, which helps to control blood sugar spikes also. And most people take about 1,000 milligrams a day. That's 500 milligrams in the morning and 500 milligrams in the afternoon to keep diabetes under control and keep the spikes from going crazy. It also is a great anti-inflammatory. If you have arthritis and joint pain and inflammation in general, a little fenugreek could go a long way to get rid of that tenderness, that redness, and inflammation. Helps with PMS and menopause, and also with breastfeeding because it helps with producing more milk. It has a lot of estrogen-like compounds in it, which also help to balance hormones. So if you're going through, PMS and menopause, that's very important for hot flashes. And it also has a lot of iron in it, which is really important if you're having, going to have a child. And it's good for breastfeeding. It helps also with the cramps and the bloating that happens at the same time when you have PMS and that type of thing. It boosts libido, and there's been some studies about that also. It's great for heartburn. I mean, this is one of the things you want to keep in your herbal medicine cabinet to help with heartburn, acid reflux, and GI distress in general, because it creates a mucilaginous film that covers everything, and just like slippery elm and marshmallow root that help to soothe everything and prevents all that irritation in the GI tract. Also, it's great for colon health and for preventing cancer. It has a lot of fiber to help detox the colon and the rest of the body in general. That also helps to increase the growth of probiotic bacteria, which need a lot of fiber, so you end up boosting your immune system. It helps to absorb toxins out of the body, and it lowers cholesterol and triglycerides at the same time because it has a lot of fiber. And it's a wonderful thing, and they've even found it to help with the process of killing leukemia cells and breast cancer cells. It's a powerful antioxidant. I think that's one of the reasons it kills off a lot of, cancer cells. It helps to slow the aging process and to get rid of free radicals. It helps with scars, burns, rashes, pimples, and it can even help with your hair. And if you make a paste with this, take some of these capsules, open them up, make a paste, and put it on your face. If you have acne, really great for acne, and to get rid of those little irritations that bother you when you look in the mirror. It helps with pimples and blackheads and whiteheads and all the different things. It's great for lung tissue, wonderful for asthma, bronchitis, sinus inflammation, colds and flus, and even pneumonia. It gets rid of the irritation and opens up the airways. It's great for sore throats and fevers, helps to lower fevers and get rid of the sore throats, and helps with that nagging cough also. It's been shown that it helps with weight loss, and you can soak some seeds, if you get the whole seeds, and put them in water and soak them, and take that, and they expand and give you that full feeling. They need to be soaked in water, because if you try to chew them up dry, they're really hard. They'll break your teeth, there's no doubt about it. So they need to be soaked in water. And you can take and buy the whole seeds and then grind them up yourself and have it really fresh as a powder, which is one way to go also. It's great for kidney health. It helps to reduce calcium oxalate kidney stones, helping to prevent kidney stones and bladder stones in general. It's taking 500 milligrams a day. Also reduces backaches, fatigues, and general aches and pains in the body in general. It's a good, wonderful rejuvenator after work and when you're tired. It contains a lot of B vitamins and vitamin C, and helps with, like I said, colds and flus, and has E for the nervous system, vitamin E for the nervous system, protein for strong muscles, and lots of enzymes, fiber for colon health, and iron and copper for anemia. Also, like I said, they use it in cooking. So try some fenugreek. You can find it everywhere. You know, your grocery store, your supermarket, Asian stores, Middle Eastern stores, just about everywhere. And you can get it in powders and capsules. Some people don't like the flavor. It doesn't bother me at all. You can also grow it in your garden, fenugreek, and let it go to seed, and then use the seeds accordingly. And so here's a wonderful, I mean wonderful, this is one of the best all-around herbs in general that I highly recommend, especially if you have, you know, blood sugar problems. And this is really great for leveling that out. So here's to your great health. Try some fenugreek. I love you.